Hey little angels, today I'm going to be filming a day in my life vlog, like a realistic one. I'm so sorry I look like this, I just woke up. So I'm pretty much just going to have a normal day and bring you guys with me. So I know I have to clean up pretty much the whole house. I'm going to tell you why. I need to go to my little gym that's at my apartment and work out. I know I want to tan today as well. So there's just a few things that I might be doing in this video. I'm really excited. I haven't vlogged in a minute and I haven't really vlogged since I've lived in Raleigh, as in I haven't shown my day in my life living in Raleigh. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to. Normally when I wake up, I just cuddle with Zion for a little bit and then he usually has to go to work around 8 in the morning. So right now it's 8:17. Today I woke up at about 7:15. I know that's really early for some people, but I don't know. I've always been the type of person who really likes morning times. Like it's so bright and sunny. It just feels good to wake up, you know? I know the first thing I have to do is clean this room. I'm about to clean my room now. By the way, a day in my life consists of this little one. This is Messiah, my roommate Isaiah's little pup, and sometimes I watch him, you know, if he's at work or something, just to make sure he's okay and not making a mess or anything. He's going through his crazy phase. Oh my god. But no, he's actually really sweet and really fun to be around. I really gotta get started on cleaning my room. It mainly consists of just putting clothes back to where they belong and stuff like that. I just realized that while I clean, I kind of just wanted to light some incense. This one is supposed to smell like the ocean. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. If you're wondering how pit bull puppies act, this is how they act. Honestly, he's like the cutest puppy I've ever seen in my life, and I've seen a lot of puppies. Wow, so cute. I just finished cleaning the room. I want to go to the gym now, to be honest, but I still have to clean dishes and pretty much clean up the whole kitchen. I'll probably just clean up the kitchen first. But every single day I usually get up and I check my little planner. This is the one I have, it's so cute. I just realized that writing down what you need to do every single day and putting notes about it and everything, like, it really helps stay on track, especially with YouTube videos and stuff. So today I have to film a try on haul. Film this, I already had this planned. And I have to ship something out today, like I have to go mail something. So yeah, it's just nice to catch up on everything you need to do because I cannot remember stuff if I don't write it down these days. Like, there's just too much stuff to remember, you know? Let me get started on these dishes now. I went ahead and lit a couple candles over here just so I can relax. I'm gonna play some music while I do it too. So yeah, this never really takes me that long though, so I'm not really worried about it. I kind of look forward to cleaning, TBH. Okay, so sorry for the noise of the dishwasher, but I just want to show you the kitchen after it's clean. So this is what we're looking like, you know? I just love having a clean house in the morning. Like, I just love it. So I'm actually not done cleaning my room or the kitchen yet because I still have to vacuum my room and sweep my bathroom area. But honestly, I kind of just want to like eat a little bit of something, drink some water, put on my gym clothes, put my hair in a ponytail and go to the gym. Really quick, I'm gonna go grab, I think we have some granola bars. If we don't, I don't know what I'm gonna eat because I don't really feel like anything else. Okay, so breakfast. I know you guys are probably gonna be like, Madison, that's not good for you. Like, you should eat a good breakfast every morning. I really do most of the time, I promise you. I'm just gonna eat this because honestly, I'm not feeling the best right now and I'm not hungry whatsoever. So I'm gonna just stick with some good old water and this. These things are good though, you have to admit, these are really good. And I was like, I should eat at least one little thing. Oh, the ice water in the morning, I have a love for that. And while I eat, I usually would just grab my keyboard right here, go on YouTube and watch some of my favorite YouTubers. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now the plan is to go ahead and do everything, like make sure my hair is pulled back and like not looking like this. Brushing my teeth, but really like nothing makeup wise or anything because you guys know I'm gonna be walking in the hot sun and now I'm gonna go to the gym because if you guys didn't know, I don't drive, so I do a lot of walking around my neighborhood and I love walking. I don't know, I love just walking and like taking time to get to where I need to go and the sun just being on me. It's just a nice vibe, to be honest. I will put on makeup probably when I get back, like after I take a shower and everything. Okay guys, so I picked out my little outfit for the gym. I chose my Adidas shoes, my little superstar ones or whatever they're called, all stars, I don't even know. Some VS pink leggings and a sports bra that I got from Target. And I just threw my hair back in a low, like kind of slick ponytail. And I packed my little gym bag. I just use a book bag because I don't have like any, well, I do have a duffel bag, but I don't really want to carry it. And I definitely don't want to carry my purse. So I'll pretty much just put like my keys, my wallet, a resistance band, some chapstick, and that might be it. I'm walking to the little gym right now. I think I remember the code, but I hope no one's in there because I kind of want to film like my little workout routine that I do here, you know? By the way, it's not like a gym. Like, it's not a huge gym. If I want to go to a big gym, I usually go with my best friend Elena. But whenever I just wake up and I want to work out, I feel like this is the perfect spot to go. Okay, so I'm alone in here, which is exciting. I can film my little workout routine or whatever. What I usually do first is I'll take a 25-pound weight and I'll hold it while I do some squats. $29, $30. Then I'll take my resistance band. I just got this one from Target and I'll put that around kind of like my calves or really like my lower calves. And then I'll lift my leg up with the resistance band 20 times each. I don't know why leg workouts make me so tired. I don't do a very big workout, by the way. Those are all the leg workouts I usually do, but the leg workouts I like to do, other than those, I have to kind of be on the floor. And I don't really want to be on this floor because it's not my floor. I don't know how clean it is. I'm gonna work on my tummy a little bit. Again, some of the workouts I go back home and do on the floor, but I'll do a few here. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna do a little bit of arms, just a little bit. So for arms, I'll go back to my 25-pound weight, which is a lot for me, to be honest. 25 pounds is not very easy for me to lift, and I don't have a lot of muscle around here, you know? But I'm trying to get some, so that's why you work on it. So I'm gonna lift this 20 times. Oof, shit. Okay. I broke a little bit of a sweat. We love that. There's a lot more things you could do in the gym. This one just happens to not have a lot of the stuff I personally like. So what I'll usually do is leave this place sometimes, go back to my place, do about 2 more ab workouts on the floor, at least 1 more butt workout, and at least 1 more arm workout too, but maybe 2 more arm workouts. Okay, so really quick, right before I go back home, I'm going to put the resistance band around like my thighs and do 30 more squats. I'm gonna drink a little bit more water and I'm gonna head home. What's so crazy to me right now is like after I'm done working out and stuff and I can kind of just chill out for the day, I feel like my prettiest. I don't know if that makes sense, but I just feel good and healthy and youthful and stuff. There's so many cars, but I'm getting so much better at vlogging in public too. So I'm in my room now. When I was on the way back to my house, I realized I should probably check the mail. So I went and checked the mail. And I got a little Ipsy bag. This video is not sponsored. I pay for my Ipsy bags every month by myself. They never contacted me. But I get really excited for these things because it's new makeup that I've never tried. Even though it's sample sizes, I usually end up getting a full size from them. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Whoa. I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna pull out. The first thing I see is, what is this? Nude Shimmer and Contour eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it says my camera's about to die. Let me hurry up. Boom. MAC Prep and Prime. Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen, Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion, and then Lip Icing by Estate. Wait, I'm gonna put it on like right now. I love that. Oh my gosh, cute. It feels like so good on my lips. Okay, my camera's about to die. I'm gonna go take a quick shower and be right back. Okay, so this is the outfit that I picked out. I just picked out some shorts. I thrifted these with some, you know, like compression shorts just so your butt doesn't show under these, with a pink tube top and like kind of a pinky and blue and gray flannel. I don't know if I'll like that outfit, but we're gonna see how it looks. So this is how the outfit is looking. I like it. I always fold up my little shirts that are a little too long just to make them a little more cropped, but it's a really cute, like just chill day type of outfit. Great news, Zion got off early.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do my makeup super quick. The camera might die. Also, this is a part of my daily routine too. Well, our daily routine.
Right.
But we're about to roll up and smoke. This is my makeup done for the day. Now me and Zion are probably gonna smoke.
I'll be just fine on my own. Yeah.
Sir, you don't want to be back here.
Nothing to get upset about.
So we're done smoking now, and we just decided that, or at least I want Tenko. I'm gonna get some Tenko, which is just some Japanese food. For some reason, Tenko Japan is closed on Saturdays. I don't know how I didn't know this, but so we're gonna have to find another place to go. And we might go thrift shopping today. There might be some cool ones here in Raleigh. We ended up deciding on Quiznos, and I just got like a tuna melt and some chicken noodle soup. We're just on the way back to the house, and then after we eat, we're gonna go thrift shopping. Okay, so we're at this thrift store now, and it's really small, but it's really cute, and I really like it. I actually found two potentially good things. I actually don't feel like trying on things right now. Like I kind of just want to like get it and see if I can work with it. So that's kind of what I did. I got like this sweater that I want to crop, and then of course some jeans I'm gonna make into some shorts. I'm back home. We only went to those two thrift stores just because we didn't want to go to another. So let me show you. And they're looking really rough. So this is pretty much the before. I got this sweater, but I'm gonna crop it and try to make it one of those like Tumblr-esque looking crop sweaters or whatever. And I did find some mom jeans that I feel like I might be able to make some cute shorts. If I can't though, it's not a big deal. Those were literally $2, so I don't feel like I like it. This is the after of them. I don't like this shirt personally. I thought I could make it into something cute. These are how the shorts came out. I'm gonna tighten them around my waist so they fit more like that. This is what they look like from the back. Yeah, they just need to be a tad bit tighter, but it's really fun for me to just go thrift shopping, spend like $4 and just like have fun trying to see what I can do with clothes. And I'm getting a sewing machine soon so that I can kind of make things fit me exactly how I want to, or make my own things, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just gonna go clean a little bit more and do the laundry and stuff like that. Oh, and my best friend Elena's coming over tonight. That's gonna be really fun. We're probably gonna smoke and just chill out and have a good time. So Elena and her boyfriend Avery just came over, and right now we just rolled up and we're smoking. This is Elena. She's the bomb.
Oh, thanks. I love you, man.
Love you too. And we're all just chilling, really. We're just hanging out for the day. It is the next day now, guys. Pretty much just for the rest of the night, all me and Zion did was watch Flash, because Elena and her friend ended up leaving not that long after I filmed that last clip. I really loved making this vlog for you guys. Like, it was really fun to just show you like how my day in my life is pretty much every day now that I live here. My routine makes me really happy, and I ended up getting everything done that day that I meant to as well. So it was just a really productive, relaxing, nice day, you know? And I'm really glad I could bring you guys with me. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys.